guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today what you're doing is this popular sauce in Ghana. We call it Shito. Okay, it's a very nice spicy sauce and everyone knows what that is. So I'm going to show you how to make this spicy sauce. It's really delicious and you can eat it with anything at all. I'm doing lots of it, so that's why I have lots of oil in there. So what I'm going to add, I'm going to add a blend of garlic and onions and some spices. Okay, I have garlic, onions and rosemary and thyme. So this is what I have here. I'm going to put that in. I think it's a bit hot, so I'm going to pour that in. Right, so we need to cook this down. I'm going to add some salt to it. So we'll keep on just stirring it until it cooks. Right guys, as you can see, the onion is really cooked nicely. When you see that it's really separated like that, it means that it is cooked. So I'm going to add some ginger. You need to add lots of ginger because it gives a very lovely taste. So you are going to cook this down. You have to really cook it properly so that you'll have a long shelf life. You don't need to put it in the fridge. You can just put it anywhere and it will still be right nice. Right, so allow this to cook down and then we can add our other ingredients. So guys, our ginger and onions are cooked nicely. As you can see, if it's separated, it means that it's cooked. I've said that already. And if it's light, to just stir it. When you're stirring it, really light, it's not heavy, so it means that that is cooked. Okay, so what I'm going to add next, normally people don't add tomato puree. I add tomato puree and I tell you, it doesn't really get spoiled. You can add tomato puree and it will make it really taste lovely. Okay, so I'm adding tomato puree. So guys, our sauce is really cooking nicely. Right, I want it to be a bit lighter. I'm going to add some powdered pepper too, but before that I want to spice it. Add a bit of white pepper and then I add black pepper. A teaspoon of Aniseed, and then I'm going to add some curry powder, and this is my mixture of herbs that I add to my recipes. Smells really good. So as our tomato is cooking nicely, I'm going to add powdered pepper. Now I know it's a lot of powdered pepper, but that's the reason for this sauce. This sauce is always spicy. You can make it less spicy if you prefer, but mostly it is spicy and it goes with everything. So amazing. So we cook this down a little bit and then we add the powdered. You're going to add powdered fish and also powdered shrimp. So guys, I forgot one of my really important spice. I've just crushed grains of selim and some cloves, okay, and I'm going to put that in. So guys, everything is cooked nicely. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the powdered shrimp and then the powdered fish. Now what I normally do is I have this powdered shrimp here. So this one is just to your discretion how you like it to be. I like a bit of shrimp in it because it makes it sweeter and it gives it a lovely taste. So I just put a lot of shrimp in there. Right, so the next bit is to add, this is the powdered fish, okay? So I'm going to add that onto it. So guys, our shito is cooked now. As you can see here, it's nicely cooked. And you can eat it with anything at all. So guys, this is our shito, okay? You can have it with anything at all and it's delicious. It goes with anything, with rice, with potatoes, with yam, anything that you want to do, with noodles, with spaghetti, with anything that you want to have this with, you can, because it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so what I've done here is cooling. So when it cools down, a lot of oil will come on top of it, and that's the oil that will preserve it. Okay, so it means that if the oil is on top of it, it's not going to go off. It will just be there for a long time. You can eat it. We can put it in the fridge if you want to, but if it's outside the fridge as well, it's still nothing will happen to it. It was still delicious. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.